Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm playing Rainworld today. I've played this game before, I just haven't managed to, I finally have it on Steam. So I haven't been able to record it before because it was on the Nintendo Switch, but I'm playing today. Alright, let's start this game. Alright, let's go. Ooh, a rock. Nice. Oh, great, there's two. That's fun. Alright, that's another cycle down. I killed nothing. I don't want to deal with the lizards. I, however, can deal with a pink one. Oh, wow. Let me try and get up here. That one's fast, jeez. Calm down. Oh, I kind of wanted to kill it. It's not moving, though. Oh my god. I just panicked. Because I thought that one... It looked like a pink lizard, red lizard. Oh, that's just sad. Come on, you can do it. There's a pole right here. Did you know that? Oh god, that's just what I needed. Another lizard. That pink one's already... Wow, I didn't need you to help. I'm running. I don't want to be here anymore. Why? Oh god. Well, that was quick. And oh, it's coming back down. I think. I'm just gonna... Why are you right there? I don't want to go over there. I'm gonna shelter. Oh yeah, this one's tiny. Oh, I don't have enough food. That's fun. I was gonna try and save the popcorn plant for, next cycle, but I don't really have a choice. No! No! Why? Let me away. Why is there a vulture? I'm running away. Goodbye. Maybe? Nope, nope, nope. Report. There's two! Why are there two? Oh god, no, 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 leave me alone, leave me alone. I need to go. Oh, okay. I'm fine. Alright, I'm fine. I gotta go. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I wonder if you can hear me just... Already? Why is there already threat music? Let me away. Let me go. Let me go. Let me. That vulture is really pretty though. But also, I just started the cycle. Leave me alone. No, 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 no. Okay, it's gone. Alright, I'm gonna try and eat those guys. Come on, can I do it? Can I catch you? Oh, no, 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 please leave me alone. Oh, okay, I'm gone. I'm gone. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Looks like I'm having a seizure when I'm jumping and walking up. Oh my god. Huh! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone. That was sad. I'm gonna see if I can make it to the next shelter. I'm full, right? Nope, I'm not. There are bat flies over here. There's a pink lizard over there, and there's a vulture coming down. I'm gonna leave. Oh, right, there's food here. I forgot. Alright, let me just put my stuff up there and then grab it. Alright. Seizure Homer. Die. Great. Now I have banana slugs. Oh, you're running from something. That's why you're going that fast. Oh god, it's coming this way. Oh wait, there's a batfly up there. Nice. Sustenance. Oh god! No, no! Anyways, I'm at halftime, so I'm gonna skedaddle. Oh god. No, 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 please, please not let this be how I die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my... Why are there so many lizards? I'm fine. Why are they fighting? Oh. Thank you. I'm going to sit here until that thing dies. Or stops moving or whatever. Or do that. So don't take drugs, kids. Please don't kill me. I just got here. Oh, oh no! Oh no! He's getting crushed! Anyways, let's move on. Oh, you're still in here. Please don't come down. I'm down here. Oh, that's just great. That's just splendid. That's marvelous. Please don't. Don't you dare come back. I gotta get out of here. I gotta leave. Alright, I know there's food. Yep, there's food here. Haha! Get snatched. Ooh, wait, I don't have a spear. I don't. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it past this part without throwing something. No! No! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Please leave. Thank you. Come on, make it. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How did I get away from that? Okay, oh my god, I made it. Okay, I'm gonna go away. Are there already beings trying to come into here? Oh my god, why are there so many? What? There's a white lizard. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Come on. No. No. Oh my god. How did I do that? Okay. I've already had my minor panic attack for the day. That was running away from a vulture. Why? Why are you here? I know there's going to be at least one vulture, and one if I'm lucky. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how much the Chimney Canopy threat theme scares me, because I was playing once, and on the Switch, and I had my headphones on because I was just listening, and out of all of, oh my god, that was close. Out of all of the songs on my like 800 on this playlist that has like 800 songs, I do not see the white lizard. I think I'm safe. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why is it right there? Why is it right there? Out of all the songs, right as the Chimney Canopy threat theme played on my game, and I swear I can't make this stuff up. My playlist, it was the next song on my playlist, which really freaked me out and there were like 3 vultures. So I don't like Chimney Canopy. Anyways, now that I'm going to the wall, I'm gonna have to deal with yellow lizards. Yay! Alright, this is where I'm gonna end off for the day because it's late and I need to sleep. I'm tired. And I've been recording for a while. So, I hope you liked today's video. If you want me to play Rain World more in the future, comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I don't have anything else left to say other than I'm gonna bounce. Peace.